A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for gun. H for hen. I for ice cream. J for jug. K for kite. L for lion. M for monkey. N for nest. O for orange. P for peacock. Q for queen. R for rose. S for sun. T for tiger. U for umbrella. V for van. W for watch. X for extra.
It looks like your Wi-Fi name or password has changed. To update your Wi-Fi information,
Y for yak. Z for zebra. गाइस, आपको मेरा वीडियो पसंद आया तो प्लीज़ मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करो, लाइक करो और कमेंट करो। थैंक यू।